Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the default font of your Word document. Um, to do that, mostly one reason why you might want to do this, in case you have your preferred font that you normally use in writing your document, you might want to set that as a default so that anytime you open your document, you have it selected already, not always going back to this area to change it. Now to do this, you need to get a blank page as I have. From the home tab, which is selected here, you need to select the font icon. Click on this font icon to get a dialog box like that. Yes, as you can see here, and then from here you can change the font. So as you can see, the body is the Calibri body, which is the default. So I don't want that. I want to change to something like I want Lato match, so let me take Lato light. Yes, and that is it. Just click on this, set as default. Now you have two choices here. So this document is when you want to make you want these changes to affect only this current document, and if you want the changes to affect future documents, set this as a template, that anytime you open a new document, the default font will be exactly what I have selected here. Then I need to pick the second one and then click OK, and that is it. It's done. So to see the effect, I could just quickly open a new document, and voila, there you see it. You have the Lato light. So let me just copy something and then see the effect immediately. So this is what I just selected. Yes, and I want it to be, yeah, so this is what I just did, and anytime I will open, I will have to see this. So if I open a new document, for example, again, Lato light is selected. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to get more update of my videos. Thank you.